What's going on YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs. I'm back. If it's your first time clicking and watching, this is my 2021 Camaro SS here that we do a lot of mods to, and you can find those mods at my company website, www.jcscustomshop.com. So be sure to check it out. You see it popping up down below, and it is linked down below. So go check it out. So I have had this car since April of 21. Bought it brand new, and it has now just hit the 75,000 miles mark. So I spent a lot of time cleaning the exterior this morning. I did not touch the interior yet. So we will quickly walk through what's been done to it since 2021. So yeah, we're going to start with the 1LE gloss black style splitter here. And then we got the gloss black badges. Got the Overtake Auto LED front bow tie emblem here. Move around to the side. We got the gloss black skull side markers here. Then we got the MMR 1LE gloss black reps here. They're fitted with Lexani LX20s. This is 285 30ZR20s on the front and 305 30ZR20s on the rear there. We got the ZL1 style gloss black side skirts here. We got the gloss black badge with color matched lettering, gloss black push button, mirror vinyl there. I took off my gas cap. I'm just redoing it. On the back here, we have went from the ZL1 1LE spoiler to the shorter ZL1 standard spoiler. We got the color match bow tie here. We'll probably color match the front bow tie as well. Got the C8 style tail lights here. And some very, very close, almost color match vinyl I put on the fins down here. We got the gloss black diffuser. We got the AWE track axle back with the gloss black tips there. Thing sounds awesome. And we got color matched engine accessories under there. Coming to the interior real quick. It has not been cleaned yet, so it's quite dirty. We got the color matched dash here. I took off the vinyl on the trim here. Steering wheel parts, center console parts, door pieces, the orange seats, and then the badges there. So the last videos I did on the channel, it's been a while, like I said, because I did all the interior color match parts there. And man, I received a lot of good stuff about it, but a lot of hate as well because people just didn't like the color match dash and stuff. You guys, I like to be different. You don't see that every day. So I put that in there. I may eventually go back. I got a spare dash. So in the 75,000 miles, the last update video I did for this car was the 50,000 mile mark. So now we're at 75. So overall, the car has held up really nicely, knock on wood. There have been a few issues, but the two big things I had was I've had 2 or 3 electrical issues with the car. One time it would pop up and it was giving me a bunch of different options that this car should not have. I had like EV mode, hold, and a few others. So I took it in and they had to flash it, reprogram it, and it's worked ever since. The first issue I had pretty much immediately after driving off the lot was the AFM squeak. I've made 3 or 4 videos about that on the channel, so go check them out. But in the end, we got the range AFM disabler, and that's worked perfect for that problem. Trying to stay up here a little bit because it's very windy today and that's ruined the audio. So I got to post-process this and try to get the wind out of it. But yeah, so the oil has been changed every time that it's required. No issues with that. My free oil changes are up, so I was taking advantage of that, so I do my own oil now. Some of you may be wondering what's next for this car, what's next for the channel. I'm kind of in a crossroads here. So I'm going to fully bolt on it. That's the plan. Okay, I've already got stuff in the cart, working on it. I can't sell performance parts yet because I don't meet some of the requirements to do so. So if you check out my website, you will only find exterior and interior parts and accessories. So I think I'm going to go through GPI and buy the full bolt-ons, but here's the issue. I've been looking at ZL11LEs as well. So my problem is, do I want to spend the money to bolt it on? Bolt it on. Go full bolt-on. Or do I just trade it in and get the ZL11LE? I'm looking at a manual right now. So I think that'd be great for the channel. I haven't had a manual car in a long time, and I'd love to go that route again because they're super fun. I've had 2 Camaros, this one included, and they've both been autos. So I'd love to get a manual Camaro. So here's the other issue with that. This car here, I've had for 4 years, a little over 4 years on the channel. Made a lot of memories with it, some good friends, done a lot of stuff to it, and a lot of time and investment into it. This is the car that we did our gender reveal in. And it's the first car my daughter rode in, and so I got some sentimental attachment to it. Okay. So do I go get my Camaro dream car, a ZL11LE, and I found one I really like. It's in shock yellow, shock green. It's shock nonetheless. Do I go get that, or do I hold on to the sentimental car because, 30 years down from now, I can show my daughter and be like, this is the car we did your gender reveal in. This is the car you first rode in. Here you go. Here's the keys. You know what I mean? So that's the issue I'm stuck with right now. And I've been thinking about it every day. I've been getting people's opinions on it. And it's been like split half and half. So anyways, in summary, guys, 75,000 miles on the SS here. It's been an awesome car. It turns a lot of heads. And yeah, I loved every minute with it. There has been some times where I'm ready to get rid of it, but I think that's with every car, with everybody. So and when I say get rid of it, I just mean, I found something at that moment that I kind of want to trade it in for or something like that. So yeah, I appreciate you guys clicking and watching. When this video comes out next weekend, it will be Father's Day. I will be doing a Father's Day sale at www.jcscustomshop.com. So be sure to check it out. And yeah, appreciate you guys to continue to support me in my dream. My dream was to build a company out of, starting with a car on YouTube. I started in 2019 with a little RS V6. We got the SS of 21, and that's what I've had since. So, yeah, I mean, we got the Trailblazer here as well. 2021 Trailblazer. But, yeah, I mean, there's not much to do with this one here. But anyways, we're getting back into grind, putting more videos out. We reached 7,000 subscribers, so thank you guys very much. And, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Go check out the website.